A video about scrapers? I know it sounds silly, but we all have been there. Printing something in our 3D printers and having some plastic attached to the bed. When it's thick enough, generally it's easy to remove by bending the plate. But when the plastic is very thin, like those lines that usually are on the edges to purge the filament, those can be fairly hard to remove. The common thing to do is using a conventional scraper, but those can scratch the bed, leaving scratch marks on future prints. Then we try to use our nails, causing pain when plastic goes between the nail and the skin of the fingers. Don't tell me that it hasn't happened to you. I also try using a plastic scraper, but I noticed that it's not strong enough, making it very ineffective. That's why I designed this scraper that keeps the tip of the blade away from the surface of the bed, but it stays very close so it can be effective removing the attached plastic. Even after 1 year of heavy use, the 3D printer bed is still in good condition, compared to this one where people use conventional scrapers. It's adjustable so it can be level and at the perfect angle. This angle is a little tricky to get right because we want to be as close as possible to the surface, but still leaving a little space to avoid scratching the bed. But once it's perfect, the scraper slides like butter. The files are in the description so you can print it for free. You only need to buy the scraper blade sold by Bamboo Lab, which is cheap and easy to find. And of course, the screws and nuts. I hope this is helpful and see you in the next video. Bye bye.